my acquaintances. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do Hello Kitty herself if you want to look like this. So just like Romy, you can go as literal or as fashion as you want with it. I went for kind of like as close to literal as I could get. And then, you know, you're doing this with a group for like Halloween or a convention or whatever. Like, it'll read Hello Kitty. Kind of by itself, it doesn't quite read Hello Kitty. But that's okay. Hey, I think the yellow's on the ears is kind of fucking it over. Maybe I should have flipped them around. I don't know. So, if you want to know how to do this makeup, then keep watching the video. The outfit here, I have two options, and I'm just going to try them on and see which one I like better. Shoes. And then I have this red dress here that I could wear either one of these blue sweaters under, which is what I'm hoping works, because that's more like what Hello Kitty wears. And then there's also just like, I have this red sweater with like a white collar shirt under it, and then these jean shorts, which would be kind of like the style, and like the colors in the style, but that's not like exactly what she wears. She wears overalls. I don't have overalls. Yeah. To be honest with you guys, I feel like this is giving Hello Kitty enough, and I don't really feel like changing into 3 different outfits, but none of them, just to see which one is close enough, because I feel like this is close enough. Okay, so man, I swear she's got porcelain skin. Of course she's a 10. How many times will I reuse the same gym class heroes? Take a look at my golf joke. Forever. So, got this Hello Kitty mirror. Doing foundation. I kind of want to do like white face paint, or like if I had a white foundation, that would be pretty epic, but man, I swear.
Yo, man, I don't think they heard you. Why don't you tell them what your name is?
Next, we're gonna do the eyes. I'm just gonna do like a red and white and blue, very sparkly type beat. I'm gonna do some white liner. I'm gonna do like a cat eye. So next, what I want to do is take this yellow called Supernova and this flat brush. I'm just gonna put that on my nose. And I'm gonna do a nude lipstick because she don't actually have a mouth. Little fun fact. So this is Nudie Patootie by Wet n Wild, and this is really old, and I probably shouldn't be using it. Okay. Eyebrows. I'm gonna do the eyebrows black. And I'm wearing a white wig and I can't do white brows. And I feel like any other color would just look weird. So I'm doing black. Put on the wig, and although I feel like it might look better to have hair that's down, I've already got this wig styled for Finster, and I'm just gonna keep it in high ponytail. And I'm gonna put cat ears on. The cat ears I made for Twin Tail Wren. I'm just gonna use those, and then I'm gonna put a bow on it, and that's pretty much the look. Alright, so, yeah, this type of pony is so fucking cunty. Like, it does not match the vibe. But I'm doing, like, Finster's gonna be a little crunchier. And he has a super high ponytail because his hair, like, in real life in the show goes all the way up into, like, a point. And I figure that would be, like, so I do like that. Anyways. But it is kind of ignore that, you know. And that'd be the finished look. So, or really, like, this would be the finished look. I have this Hello Kitty clip just to be kind of like, So yeah, you know the bye, subscribe. See you later, all you haters.